I got my hands on this metallic shadow, which is from Natasha Denon. And if you're looking for a metallic, good pigmented shadow, this one is. And this one has like 2 shades, all the colors, and I'm using the one which has gold, a tint of green, khaki, and it's a beautiful shade. And as it's in the bottle, that's how it looks on the eyelid as well. So, and I'm blending a nude color shadow in my crease just to blend the 2 shades together. And this is a really nice warm smoky eyes. I'm loving this eyeshadow. It was just one stroke and a beautiful color. I'm just going to apply my wing eyeliner. I use my pen liner to make a wing in all my videos so that you can see it's very easy to apply a wing eyeliner with a pen liner, then a brush. I'm applying from Sephora. This is a nice mauve pink shade, and voila, there we go.